Okay, in this video we're working on the Salaries tab, and our first set of directions are to start by formatting column B, this one, to be currency. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have to format it. So we're going to go up under Format, and because we're dealing with numbers here, we want to make sure that we are working with currency. So a couple of ways to do that: currency rounded, financial, accounting, but we're just going to go with this one. And there you are, it's all set. Now, another really popular one is when you need to freeze a row. So up here, we're unclear what the titles are for these columns. So we want to be able to freeze the row after row 2. Let's go up and hit View, Freeze, 2 rows. And now what will happen is when we scroll, we never lose sight of these titles. Next on our instructions are to have alternating colors and to pick a color that we want to. So let's go ahead and select the amount of cells that we want to do that to. So I've already selected my top left cell, and I'm going to come over and hit Shift and then probably G28. Looks good to me. So again, I'm going to format. So I'm going to go to Format, Alternating Colors, and I'm going to scroll up because I want to make sure that I'm applying it to this range here. This is usually when something doesn't work out. This is where I double check to make sure that it was assigned to the correct range. So A1 to G28, so again, G28, and let's pick something. Let's go with that. Pick whatever you want, and then click Done. So now when I click off, much easier to read. Okay, and our last set of directions, let's sort by district. So we'll be getting into different filters and ways, but right now we know that district is under the column C. So let's go ahead and just have them sort this sheet A to Z, and that also includes a numerical order of 1, 2, 3 before the A to Z. So let's go. Now when I click off, I have my Elizabethtown area, I have Hempfield. So that information has just been sorted by that. And I think we're done.